Struggling to see the muscle gains you want? No worries, because today we've got the ultimate solution for you. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the secrets of rapid muscle development, all backed by amazing studies. Get ready for some game-changing tips that will finally propel you towards your muscle-building goals. Building muscle quickly is not only important for greater strength development but also for overall health. So let's jump right into it and unveil the secrets to maximizing muscle growth. Resistance training, the powerhouse of muscle growth. To kick things off, let's talk about resistance training, the secret sauce that stimulates muscle growth like nothing else. Now, it's time to optimize our training variables in order to maximize muscle adaptations. Studies have shown that working with specific intensity percentages and rep ranges can have a significant impact on muscle growth. By tailoring our workouts to these parameters, we can unlock the true potential of our muscles. But we're not stopping at the basics, my friends. We're going to take it up a notch and explore specific techniques that will skyrocket your muscle-building journey. Progressive overload, gradually increasing stress. Let's start with progressive overload. This technique is all about gradually increasing the stress placed on our muscles over time. By consistently challenging ourselves to do more, we'll continuously stimulate the growth we desire. And that's not all. We also have drop sets and supersets, two powerful strategies that will leave you amazed. These techniques involve pushing ourselves to failure in one set and then immediately reducing the weight or switching to a different exercise without rest. This not only gives our muscles a fresh stimulus but also enhances metabolic stress, promoting muscle growth. Incorporating these techniques into our training routine can help break through plateaus and ignite new muscle growth. Low load versus high load training, which is better? Now, let's tackle the age-old debate of low load versus high load training. Research has shown that both methods can lead to muscle growth, but they may have different effects on strength development. Training within the 70 to 85% intensity range and performing 8 to 12 reps per set has been shown to result in a whopping 20% increase in muscle growth compared to other methods. So, let's explore the research findings and determine which approach suits your goals best. Proper nutrition, fueling our muscles. Now, let's talk about the fuel that powers our muscles, proper nutrition. It's absolutely essential to give our bodies the right nutrients and sufficient calories. Adequate protein intake, in particular, is vital for muscle repair and growth. Aim for around 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight to ensure you have the building blocks necessary for muscle development. Rest and recovery, essential for muscle growth. Lastly, don't underestimate the importance of rest and recovery. Our muscles need time to repair and grow stronger after those intense workouts. So prioritize sleep because it is during this time that our bodies undergo repairs and adaptations. Oh, and don't forget to incorporate active recovery days into our training routine. This will not only prevent overtraining but also optimize muscle growth. By implementing these strategies, focusing on progressive overload, trying out drop sets and supersets, and fueling our bodies with the right nutrition, we'll be well on our way to achieving those gains we've been longing for. Remember, building muscle takes time and consistency, but with the right mindset and approach, you can transform your physique and become the best version of yourself. That's it for today's video, my fellow fitness enthusiasts. If you found this information helpful, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to Mind Fuel for more awesome fitness tips and tricks. Until next time, keep pushing yourself, never settle for anything less than extraordinary.